Okay, hopefully this little video will give you a bit of an idea about what today's lesson is all about and what you need to be making sure you've learned by the end of today's lesson. Right, we're looking at some figures here. SV, Q and HR, stroke volume, Q's cardiac output and H is heart rate. And we're also going to look at the relationship between each of them, how they're all linked, how they work together. We're also going to look here at what happens when you start exercising. So the changes that take place to stroke volume, heart rate and cardiac output during different intensities of physical activity. Both sub-maximal, like what you see in the picture, and maximal exercise, where you're basically exercising to a point where you can't continue. We're then also going to look at the changes between exercise with an endurance athlete and someone who was untrained. Now this picture here shows you a cut open part of the left ventricle. You can straight away see that the left ventricle size of the endurance athlete is a lot bigger than that of the untrained athlete. You need to think about what effects that have. What effect does a bigger left ventricle have upon things like your capacity to produce a level of stroke volume, cardiac output, and also ultimately what your rest and heart rate is going to be like. Okay, what you've got to now decide, what are the key words from this video that you need to know and understand by the end of today's lesson.